Perhaps you've encountered a situation where you tried to import an image of a dollar bill or any other currency note into Photoshop, only to be met with a warning message. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to effortlessly import your desired banknote into Photoshop or any other graphic software. Stay with me. Welcome to another video from Resource Boy. I'm Marianne. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to import a dollar or any other banknote into advanced graphic softwares like Photoshop. Graphic design softwares like Photoshop incorporates a security system called CDS. This system automatically detects if the image you are trying to open is of a banknote. If it identifies the image as a currency note, it prevents you from opening or editing it within the software. To overcome this issue, the simplest method I found is to divide the banknote into two parts. So if you're using dollar textures from Resource Boy, we've already done this step by step for you. The download link is available in the description, offering free high quality images for various banknotes. The quality is 8K, so don't worry about nothing. Please note that these resources are strictly intended for design purposes. We disclaim any liability for misuse, and the responsibility for the usage of these materials lies with you. When I try to open a banknote, I get this error message. As you saw at the beginning of the video, the solution is simple. You can use a divided version of the banknote. For instance, take the left half of the banknote and open it in the software without any issues. Then bring the right half easily, just like this, and place it right here. So now, after importing both sides into the software, align them properly on the right side, place it where it belongs. So as you see, our right side is here. We just need to use the crop tool to trim the excess areas. As you can see, the dollar bill is now fully visible in the software. The small line in the middle is not significant. It's just where the two sides meet. To finalize, merge the two layers and the line will disappear. So with this simple method, you can easily import your banknote into any software. The Resource Boy Textures Packs covers banknotes from $1 to $100. Both sides of the banknotes are included in the package, which you can download using the link in the description. Feel free to make the most of the amazing package. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and visit resourceboy.com. We've prepared plenty of free resources for you, which you can use in both personal and commercial projects. Thanks you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to put the thumbs up for this video if you like it, and take so much care. Bye to one more video.